Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and selamat datang di Study with Nova. Welcome in Study with Nova. Hello alumni Ikatova and welcome to Study with Nova. Open a blank file in your text editor and write a few lines summarizing what you've learned about Python so far. And then start each line with the browser in Python you can, and then save the file as learning.python in the same directory as your exercise from these chapters. And then write a program that reads the file and prints what you write 2 times. The first one, print the content once by reading in the entire file, and then the second one by storing the lines in a list and then looping over each line. So what the meaning is this? So welcome to chapter 10. This is the chapter 10. It's about a file and exception. After we learning about the class, learning about the list, learning about the function, all of that stuff, but what the meaning of that? Yeah, we must learning about how we communicate, maybe how to make a file, how to read a file, like that. It's like also this chapter, in this chapter 10, is completely, I think it's more easy chapter than in the last week. Sorry, class it is much harder because object-oriented programming is in class. So what is this? What the meaning of this equation? So I would like to open a blank file in your text editor. I mean, like this, we make .txt like this. What's the meaning is .txt? Oh yeah, learning Python.txt. So just new file here, and then you can add learning Python.txt that you have blank file. There are no information here, but I would like to write a few lines summarizing what I've learned about Python. Okay, but the beginning, in Python you can in Python you can make everything. I think it is everything. Like it is easy language, easy programming language, but somehow it's hard to understand. Then in Python, it is just example. You can make anything for your phrases. In Python, then you can learn anything. Let me think. You can learn anything, and then from machine learning, and then from web development, and then and etc. You can be wait a minute, you can be everything, but I can see myself grow if I continue learn Python. This is it. That's why I love oh no, there is Python. Make it simple, make it works. Is it okay? This is just my mind to import a module that's from path clip. That's it. And then import import path. Is it good? Right? And then that's the first, because path is just the path. Path. To what the meaning path is to know where's your file. And then second one, you will just make the variable here, the path. I think you can change the names, it's okay, but you just add the path here to indicate the Python that where's your file. And my file is learningpython.txt, right? Learning python.txt here, our file here, path.path, and then second one we just what the meaning is like to read your contents, but no, but the path here from here dot to read text, we have like it here, open, not read back, yes, to read. To read. This is the method, this is our method here, and then the second, print the contents. Yep, done. Here, let's try, is it working or not? 10 means okay, that's working, but in the content here we didn't no. We cannot using the data, because it is like just read the book of the content, the book of our learning Python here, the book informations. We cannot easy to understand. We want so easy to understand what it is in the Python. I mean, like how much Python in this text, how much time the Python in this text. So this is like 1, 2, 3 or 4 maybe, and then how much something new in the text. So that's why we need to split lines, to split the informations here, so you can know the information, you can know all of the information. So that's why the second one is once by storing the lines list, and we want to looping over each line. That's why somehow I didn't understand what's the meaning, what's the purpose of the second equations, because somehow it is the same like the before. It is, if we want to print, it is same like here, but because we know that it is different. It is different. It is why the first is different. So here I would like to add the lines here. Lines is like a variable, and then with the contents here, and then you just split lines, split line. This is like to make it split one by one here, and then using for, so it is same like you use any list in your loops for something. For line is like something here for every line in lines here, because the lines, I mean like this. This is our lines, so book, so many sentence, but for line it is like every single word. So you just print the line, here. Okay, it's okay lah, it's okay, but I wanna show you how is the word. Okay, print using loop. It is somehow the first time I learning this, it is like, it doesn't make sense, because the first one and the second one, if like the output is same, but it is different. It's different because the first one is like a book of information. There are no information, anything information that you can read. But second one is we have like using loop to each line by line. So that's why even though the output is same, it's different of Python for the read lines. Print what's the meaning? Print line here using loop. So Wait a minute. So here, you know, if we're using loop, we know that the output is same, but yes, I'm storing line list and then loop over each line, so it's okay for us to understand first. But somehow I want x1 price print how many Python here. I wanna just my using if I using Python, if Python in lines here, because I just using here, or in line, I forget. Oh. Okay. I want to add like here in Python in lines here. I forget it is line or lines. I think it's line. If Python counts plus, you calculate here and then you can count for the beginning here. If okay, so you just print here. This is just a variable. If the Python inlines, you just add one by one. You get how many Python here? There are no Python here. 0. Okay, I forgot to using for because we must in the for loop using here for line in line, and then here if Python and then open the count. If Python inline count plus 1, how many Python here? 4. Is it true? Well, let's 1 2 3 4. Okay, that's right. So what's the meaning here? Because we search the informations, we know the information one by one because we using loops. So I think it's all about the 10 ones learning Python. So don't forget to add support to your terminal here. What's meaning is here. Okay, that's all. Okay, let's try another questions. Bye.